Good morning. Good morning. It is January 31st, 2024. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto. I am David. And today we are going to be going over the first FOMC of 2024. Got a little bit of BRICS news. Got some AI stuff, kind of ties into the BRICS, and yeah, then we'll get out of here. I can't ever stop messing with my hair on the show, but that's how it goes, right? Good morning. Thank you for joining me, as always. Justin, thank you for being here. Almost as always, you missed one day. That's okay. We'll allow it. We'll allow days here and there, But let's go ahead, get into it a little bit. Let's give a shout out to Billy, Crypto Billy, and at Billy Goat Tales on X. Great spaces last night. Givers Gain. Let's every Tuesday night, 9 p.m. to about 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's a spaces on X at Billy Goat Tales. Always giving away great knowledge. There's some very experienced, down to earth, like business people in there, entrepreneurs, and you can gain a lot of, wisdom, knowledge, everything from those spaces. So check that out. Piper was on there last night. Was awesome. Just like, I don't even know. He like spit off like 15 words at this one time, like 15 words. Like I for a second I thought that maybe he was Eminem. Okay? Maybe. Yes, Justin. That was a great space. I didn't jump in just because, one, I haven't read the book. Think and Grow. What is it? Think and Grow Rich, and so and I was kind of doing stuff with the kid. I mean, I didn't get him to sleep until like 9:30 my time, which is like 10:30 during the spaces. So, and I was just tired. I couldn't really think of anything. So I was just, it's fine. They start talking about The Secret and stuff. And I'm like, hey, yeah, I've read that and watched the movie when I was a kid, or when I was like 17, 18. And it also reminded me of a documentary that I watched called What the Bleep, Down the Rabbit Hole. That was about like quantum physics, but it was like along the same thing as like, it's like a sciencey version of The Secret. Oh, my morning coffee might actually stay hot. So yeah, that was really cool. Just finished chapter 11 of 30 of Billy Goat Tales, and so there's gonna be 19 more. So get in there. I also want to give a special thanks to Alex O'Crypto for sending me, or he won the money on Flipper Hodl yesterday, and he said give it to Lunar Beaches Crypto. So awesome. I still haven't heard from Blockchain Crusader, so we'll see. But yeah, that was still awesome of Alex regardless. So that's pretty cool. And speaking of Piper and Alex, we do have a video dropping today. With Piper, with Alex, with Tradefly, with the OC guy. And yeah. Who do you guys think is the biggest bear? Who do you think is the biggest bull of us all? I think they might have already gave those answers. Oh well. Let's go to my notifications. Let's see. I got you. I got you, fam. There we go, right here. 2025. Sorry, TradeFly. Or Alex, which one is it? I don't know. They say it's his twin, but I don't think they look anything alike. What is it? The straight up and down face? I don't. What is it? Bless me. I have a straight up and down face. Well, no, I got kind of a round face, so whatever. Doesn't matter. These great guys. Yeah, did a prediction video with them. It's a lot of. It was a lot of fun. It's not financial advice, you know. It is. It was fun. So just watch it. Check it out. I think at what time does it drop? Does it say on here? I'm pretty sure it drops at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good morning, Tony. Hey guys. Hey guys. Good morning to you, sir. And yeah, I think that's it as far as a little bit of housekeeping. One more thing I did want to give. Let me see. Can I? Oh, I can't do it right here. All right. Well, maybe I can do it right here. Do 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 do. How do I find myself? My goodness, my goodness. Am I live? Am I live? Is this how I do this? I don't even know. Or do I have to go to like YouTube Studio? Let's see. Can I click on this? And then like, uh-oh. Is it gonna play stuff? Oh well, it doesn't matter. I don't think I have my desktop audio on. Come on, man. Hurry up. Why are you being so slow? Oh, look, this guy. Scratch his nose. I think I have to do it in YouTube Studio. I don't know. Let me see if I can get that loaded as we move on. Because I've got to throw out a wrench today. Mr. Eubanks is going to get a wrench. By the end of the stream, I'm going to get him a wrench. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's here every single day, except for one. But that's okay. And always sharing out the stream, regardless. So, yeah. We've got to get the guy a wrench. Your channel. L. Jones, yo. All right. So while that's loading and I'm trying to figure that out at the same time. All right, guys. Today is FOMC day, the first one of the year. What is today? January 31st. What else do we have? We also have non-farm payroll at 8:15, so pay attention to that. Non-farm payroll, 8:15. Now, the non-farm payroll and this unemployment cost index and Chicago PMI, they might not actually, what you call it? Can I click on you now? They might not actually. There we go. Can manage change. I don't know what this means. All right, Mr. Eubanks, pro surfer. I don't know. You burnt your chicken again, bro? Come on, man. What are you doing? He was like, I'm getting a wrench. I can't go check on my chicken. Gonna be taking weekend off and start trading Monday, mate. That's going for a new dog tomorrow. Yeah. Let's go, sniper. That if it's the dog that you showed us in Discord, then that's a very pretty dog. It looks exactly like the dog in your old, PFP with the sniper, except he was didn't have like any orange or whatever in his fur. What gold? Like gold? I don't know. Anyway, non-farm payroll might not do anything before the FOMC, okay? And might not do anything for the FOMC. Not today. Oh, not today. Yeah. Oh, was that the day you burnt your chicken? The day you didn't show up? Okay. Well, we'll let that go. But congratulations on your wrench. Yeah, that's the one. Sweet. I want to see you with that dog. Can I pet that dog? All right. So, FOMC. So, what are we thinking? I'm thinking it's going to stay paused. So does the forecast. Forecast says pause. Of course, what really matters is what Mr. J. Powell says. Whatever J. Powell says, he's going to be moving these markets. We're going to get a little gauge of how he feels, of how the Fed feels. Are we going to stay paused for longer? I think so. Or can we expect rate cuts in March? So that's basically what's going to be at stake today. So we could see some volatility. So just be prepared for that. Stay safe. Trade with stop loss. Proper risk management. All that good jazz. Watch the 1 minute. So let's go ahead and dive into some Bitcoin TA real quick. I've got the why is this not on? Is it? Did it die? I think it died. Chart Prime Market Oracle Pro. Let me turn that on. Hello? There he goes. All right. Now let me make sure my settings are right because it decided to die on me for some reason, and I don't know why. Prime Trend Assist. Okay. I think that's all I had on here. All right. Anywho, so this is the Bitcoin monthly chart. Let's go to the weekly. Make it up. All right. So as you can see, we did come up, hit that macro 618, and have been holding 0.5 since then. It's just kind of consolidating around there. And we kind of want to, I don't know. We're going to see what happens. This was a kind of like a peaking type of moment when, you got the ETFs coming out and all that stuff launching right at the same time. And it's just kind of like, okay, maybe it's done. Or it's just a pullback before the halving. And we're continuing to follow the cycles, which is kind of crazy. Who knows if we're going to continue to follow the cycles forever and ever and ever. Crypto Pollo, cluck, peeps. What's going on, my friend? Good to see you in here. Crypto Pollo in the house. Man, my dynamic reactor was all like Lunar Beach's crypto colors, and now I've got to redo it. And it's just like, man, why does this stuff just like go and take a poop on you, Good thing is, on our weekly chart, everything is basically above the 50 line and in the green. So, above the 50 line is bullish, and the green is bullish. So, seeing temporary up and down, temporary pullbacks, it's not the end of the world, So let's go ahead and zoom in. Let's go to the daily. Let's try and get a little bit closer look, see what we're looking like here. Let me go ahead and throw on this TA. So yeah, right now what I'm thinking is a possible ABC, so we can come back down correct on top of this previous resistance range, come back down, back test it for support. That could come in. Where is it at? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Why are you? There we go. Oh, I have you locked. That's why. So that could come in. So I pulled this from here, from the top to this bottom, did a measured move. So from current price, you know, we're looking at 33,427. From the high of the B wave. And if we were to break out of this channel here, right here, and go from the breakout area, and this is the daily, so if we broke out today, it would be right here, and it would get us right down to that support level at 31,492-ish. This is a fair value gap, this box right here, daily fair value gap. So yeah, could see price push down into that area. Now we do have the dynamic reactor below us that could act as support. We do have the trend assist that could act as support as well. We also have the 382 right there. And breakdown, we could be looking for a back test of that area there and then continue the move down. So something like that. That's the bearish scenario. Bullish is we just kind of grind our way and then pop up and get above that line, back test, off and away we go. So something like that. We are above our 50 line, but we can see that we're kind of curling a little bit, a little bit on this one too. So I'm thinking maybe our first half of February might be a little red. So who knows? Yo, French toaster in the house. Did you save as default? Getting over the C19, man. Oh, dang, Poyo. It sucks, man. Hope you get better. Did you save as default? I don't know what you mean. That sucks, Poyo. Get to feeling better, bro. Yes. From the top to the bottom. That's a whop. Sniper Timer, how you doing, brother? Yeah. Yo. Good morning. But we can see that our money flow is still in the red on the daily a little bit. Just coming out just the smallest bit. And then we have our trend assist and our momentum waves down here, or trend ribbon and our momentum wave down here, pushing down towards the downside. And what I would like to see is on the daily chart, well, I just want to see this thing start turning up, really. I just want it to start coming up here, getting above that zero line. So a lot of things could be in play. The important thing is that breaking this here, probably, what is this? Well, probably this low here. What is that? 41,642. That could send us down to this low here. Now these are just measured moves. We don't have to come all the way down here, okay? We can just do another little quick sweep of the lows. This low right here. So we could just do another quick little sweep of that and then head back up, get us a nice little W pattern in there. So double bottom, W, whichever one you like, and then keep marching to the upside. I do want to see this high. Once we get up there, I do want to see that taken out with conviction. But as it is setting up right now, what I don't want to see is I don't want to see this B wave up here get a little higher than the A wave right here, and then put in bearish divergences where our trend assist barely pops over that 0 line, or trend ribbon barely pops over that 0 line, and we get just massive bull or bear divs on the daily chart. So could be in the cards. I think we could see a pretty bloody February. We'll just have to see. It might be a slow bleed. But we take it day by day, see how it goes, see how it plays out. I just don't particularly like how it's looking at the moment. But we are staying up in here in this range. So we can just grind it out, man. Just grind it out. I did not mean to hit the replay button. Go away. Do you want to exit bar replay mode? Yes, I do. That's what clicking the X means, dude. Like, God. Plus, on the Market Oracle Pro for Chart Prime, we got a sell signal. Usually how these things work is you get the sell signal first, then you make a down move, and then you get the pullback, and then you move down. So everything's kind of lined up for a move to the downside. So, and we usually get these moves to the downside pre-halving. So it's not like wasn't kind of expected. You know what I mean? Most indicators you can set your settings, then save as default. So if you add it back, it's in your settings already. Yeah. I think I've tried to do that with Chart Prime and it doesn't seem to work. I don't know why. But yeah, I know it now. I know what you're talking about. Yeah. I do save, like, once I get something to a setting, which I don't do a lot with Chart Prime anyway. It's more customization, like colors and stuff, than anything. I haven't really changed much on the Chart Prime when it comes to their settings. I just kind of roll with their settings. You mess with stuff too much, and it kind of taken away from what the indicator's meant for a little bit. So, yeah. So yeah, that's just Bitcoin, guys. We have met resistance on this upwards trend line here. And we're already bouncing off of that. Now, FOMC today could make things get a little crazy, You know how it likes to do. It likes to sweep the highs and the lows in the same day. So maybe we can come up, dig into this fair value gap right here, and then roll over. Or what I would love to see is for us to have like a crazy dump today, like a real quick dump, and then like a V-shaped recovery. That's what I would want to see. Now, this would obviously play over, for the next week or two. Okay. But when it could start it today, could start the move today. But we do have a fair value gap here. Lots of support down here. So it could just be a quick move down, and then we get a move up into this fair value gap, and then we really start working. So that's going to be it for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the news. BRICS meeting. Iran pushes for common currency. China, Russia prioritize settlements in local currencies. So this is something that I just wanted to go over because it's something that I've been thinking about with this whole BRICS nation thing for quite some time now. And it is this. You've got a bunch of nations with a bunch of dictators saying, let's come together for currencies, right? You're going to get one of the smaller nations or one of the not as strong nations is going to start asking for everybody to use one currency. And when you do that with other dictators, good luck. Especially when you're as big as China and you're as portrayed as being strong as Russia. It's just, if they somehow come together and do it as a bunch of dictators and they can work together, then okay. But right now, not so much. Not so much. U.S. exchanges percent gain. What is it? Dang. Anyway, we got the stock market over here looking better than crypto. Look at all these 48%, 48%, 50%, 58%. Like, what the? We're not even getting that kind of money, that kind of numbers in crypto. But the fact that the stock market is getting those numbers, I really hope BC Backer's not right in saying that we've topped out. Let's just say that. I hope it's temporary. I do want to go down to the bottom of this. So China said we should implement the leader's instructions, promote financial cooperation as a strategic priority, expand settlements in local currencies, and strengthen linkage between payment systems. Payment systems. I wonder what they're going to be using. Crypto? Maybe. Probably XRP. Dang commies. Moreover, he revealed China is considering the possibility of launching a BRICS AI development and cooperation center in China. So I read that last night, and then something else caught my eye, and it was, be careful when adding AI to blockchain, says Vitalik Buterin. He says, it is important to be careful if someone builds ergo a prediction market or a stablecoin that uses an AI oracle, and it turns out that the oracle is attackable. That's a huge amount of money that could disappear in an instant. So essentially, he's just going over the problems with potential issues with AI. So that's pretty cool. Are you guys afraid of AI? AI mixed with the money, it's kind of scary a little bit. Early start for you guys. Hey man, it's early start for me every morning. I just decided to wake up an hour earlier and start doing a live show. So even if it's only for 30 minutes, I still needed to get an extra hour in so I could wake up a little bit before the show. Yesterday I was late and I did not like that. But when your show is on this early, can you really be late? Let's go ahead and take a look at the crypto heat map, see what we're looking at. Bloody day. I still think, maybe we get some up and down action, but maybe we ultimately end up heading towards the downside. It's just kind of what everything's just reading. Like we were just on the charts. So anything sticking out? Let's go ahead and take away some of these. Any gainers? What's our gainers? Flare. Okay. Flare is built on the XRPL. LCX up 11%. Nothing really. ASM. Uniswap. Optimism down 5%. Everything's on sale, basically. When I see something like this, I'm just like, sale, flash sale. You know what I mean? But then I'm also like, how much more of a sale is this going to be? The altcoins actually look pretty strong. I say that. They might, die today. But one coin that is not dying is LCX. This thing is on an absolute parabolic run here. Like, it has been going absolutely ballistic. And it's just looking beautiful. We're not even getting any take profit check marks on there. It's still going. And wow, if you got a bag of LCX, congratulations. You're doing very well. And we do have a bearish divergence in here with our OB, which is overbought blocks on the top side here. Our trend ribbon came above this high though, and it's still pushing. It's because it did have a nice big pullback, and now it's pushing up again. But FOMC can kill that whole run today, or at least slow it down. So I don't know. Dex check is up 17%. Never heard of that, but I'll check it out. Wayne C., good morning. Do you think AI will ruin trading? AI is going to ruin everything. I was listening to the Lex Friedman podcast Who's the guy? Who's the guy? This guy sounded like a very, not narcissist. It kind of sounds like a narcissist, but he wasn't very optimistic on the future of AI. Who was this guy? George Hotz. Tiny Corp, Twitter, AI, blah blah blah. I don't know. He seemed like a awesome dude to hang out with. Very cynical. I just think basically he thinks AI will kill us all, but not by like nuclear weapons or anything like that, but by keeping us like on our phones or on our devices for such long periods of time that we'll literally not be able to take our eyes off of the screen, and we will literally forget to like eat, so we'll starve, stuff like that. It was very, very fun conversation. Very, very fun conversation. But anyway, it is time to wrap up the show, guys. Thank you for joining me. I didn't get to get too heavy into charts. I kind of just wanted to go over Bitcoin. Altcoins are kind of going to follow whatever Bitcoin does today, so just keep that in mind. Dow Jones is very close to its macro 4.236. I still have predictive ranges on this one. I thought I turned them off. Oh, okay, there they go. Okay. And they're back. What the heck? Anyway. Very close. Oh, it's based off of this one down here. Are you gonna work, bro? You're just not. Okay, thank you. And yeah, don't forget to watch that prediction video. Comes out today on Piper Academy. Go give him a sub also. But everybody that's in my chat is probably already subbed. Am I missing something here? I think I am, because I think it's based off of this one. There's your Great Recession. It's based off of that. Let me turn off the chart prime. It's kind of slowing stuff down a little bit. Great Recession. That's how powerful that indicator is. It just turns everything down. And there we go. Full 4.236 extension. Not too far away from that. Who knows? We could get there today. It's a total of 2.12%, or just a little over 2%. So that's reaching its 4.236. The S&P is already above its 4.236. It broke it like last year or the year before, and it's just came down, pulled back, and now it's back above it. And the Nasdaq is above, or is inching towards its 4.236. Bitcoin always tops out before the stock market, so it could be a little wild time. Could be a little wild time is all I'm saying. So just be careful. Be careful. We'll see how the thing goes. So yeah, congratulations to Justin on the wrench. Thanks to all of you for joining. Whoever joined, thank you. I love you all. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. Share with your friends. Join the Discord link in the description, and follow Army Piper and Alexo Crypto and or Piper Academy, and all those folks. See you guys in the chats today, and I love you all, and trade safe. And I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm just here to help you guide you through the waters. Okay. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early. Let's go. Peace out. Have a good day.